Hello again, and welcome to the second lesson of the Bybit 101 course. In this lesson, I will show you how to buy crypto on Bybit and how to get your bonus. Let's get started. From the Bybit main menu, click on the Buy Crypto tab and then on the one-click Buy button. Here you have over 40 currencies and cryptocurrencies to choose from. We will go with USD. Just enter the amount you wish to spend. Let's pick Dogecoin. Give it a few seconds. Select your payment method. By picking the credit card option, you are paying a little extra on the conversions, but it's really fast, which I think it's worth it. Add your card. Enter your card details and click on Continue. Authorize the payment and we are good to go. If you want to buy Bitcoin, Dogecoin or any kind of cryptocurrency on a regular basis, you should try Recurring Buy. Follow the same steps as before and add the frequency of your buys. This is a good option if you're looking to DCA. DCA stands for dollar cost averaging. This is a trading strategy. We will talk more about this in the second chapter. Let's get back to the course. If you want better prices than the credit card option, I recommend fiat deposit. We will go with ATV cash. It has zero fees after all. Follow those 3 steps and we are done. And because we made our first deposit, it's time to get our bonus. From the user dashboard, click on this arrow. Your coupons will be found in My Rewards section. You can pause this part for extra explanations. In the next lesson, we will see why you should use Bybit. See you in the next one.